Time now for responses from our friends on Facebook and Twitter. And Archie is at the smartboard.
Responses to this question, Janella. Yes. We're asking, would you be willing to tell the police about corrupt practices that you see taking place? Let's start with the folks on Twitter. First is comment from Libra, who says, nope. We cannot trust the police to give any information about corruption. The police cannot be trusted. Second comment from Twitter, this person saying, J Doll saying, tell Squaddy what? So them can go to the person and say, oh, it's you. You know, say a lady will live down such and so says such a thing. Here's our comments. These folks from Facebook saying, can a corrupt force investigate corruption? Second comment here, you have to pay the examiner to get your license no matter how good you are at driving. But what are the police going to do about that? And third comment here, it's easier for a camel to go through a needle eye than a sensible person to give information that might cause their life. And the final comment from the folks on Twitter is, no, me fear my life, police and criminal work. Keep those comments coming on Facebook and Twitter, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and your tweets to Television Jam. The Financial Week, News from Overseas, and our Bite of the Week. They're all next. Please stay tuned.